Hello students, we'll see some other problems under the operating costing. See the page number 60 and question number 37. Okay, page number 60 and question number 37. Okay, just make the correction under the page number 60 and question number 37. Sugama tourist runs a bus between Kundapur and Mangalore via Udupi. The distance between Kundapur and Udupi is 35 kilometers and between Udupi and Mangalore is 60 kilometers. During the onwards journey, the bus is full of its capacity up to Udupi, but only 80% full between Udupi and Mangalore. On the other hand, on the return journey, it is full from Mangalore to Udupi, but 75% of the capacity between Udupi to Kundapur. The following information is provided. Okay, the cost of the bus, estimated scrap value, estimated life. These three things to calculate the depreciation. Okay, annual road tax, insurance charges, garage rent per year, driver salary, conductor salary, cleaner salary, cost of diesel, kilometers run per liter of diesel, proportionate charges of the tire per kilometer. Next, capacity of the bus is 50 passengers and the bus makes a round trip from Kundapur to Mangalore on an average 25 days in a month. You are required to compute the cost per passenger kilometers of operating the bus. Assuming 10% profit on takings for the company, work out the bus fare to be charged in between Kundapur and Udupi and Mangalore for each passenger. Okay, this is the problem. First see, there is a bus, Sugama bus between the Kundapur and Mangalore. From Kundapur to Mangalore via Udupi, right? From Kundapur to Bangalore, in middle we getting the Udupi. Say there is a middle point, Udupi. Now the distance between Kundapur to Udupi is 35 kilometers. Okay, this is like this. Kundapur to Udupi. Sorry, once again. The Kundapur to the bus is between Kundapur to Mangalore. Okay, in between we'll get the Udupi, right? So now see Kundapur and Mangalore via Udupi. The distance between Kundapur and Udupi is 35 kilometers and between Udupi to Mangalore is 60 kilometers. During the onward journey, onward means at the time of first journey or going, okay, first during the onward journey, the bus is full of its capacity up to the Udupi. Okay, at the time of going, the onward journey means first time going capacity of the Udupi, but it's full. Okay, journey bus the full of its capacity. Kundapur to Udupi bus is full. Okay, full, but Udupi to capacity Udupi, but only 80% between Udupi to Mangalore. From Udupi to Mangalore, only 80%. Okay, at the time of going bus from Kundapur to Mangalore, from Kundapur to Udupi, only the bus is full. From Udupi to Mangalore, 80% is full. Okay. On the other hand, return journey. Okay, at the time of return, Mangalore to return means Mangalore to Kundapur. At that time, the bus is full from Mangalore to Udupi. From Mangalore to Udupi, bus is full. At that time, returning, at that time, Mangalore to Udupi bus is full. Okay, but 75% capacity between Udupi and Kundapur. 75% from Udupi to Kundapur. Udupi to Kundapur. The following information is provided. The capacity of the bus is how much? 50 passengers and number of days in a month is 25 days. Now we should calculate. Okay, calculation of see the problem. Calculation of total passenger kilometers per month. First onward journey at the time of going from Kundapur to Udupi, Kundapur to Mangalore. Under that first one, under the onward journey, first one Kundapur to Udupi. Then at the onward journey, two ways are there. First one is a Kundapur to Udupi, then Udupi to Mangalore. Next one backward journey means return journey means Mangalore to Udupi and Udupi to Kundapur. Now first we will see the onward journey. First one Kundapur to Udupi, passengers kilometers. The kilometers between Kundapur to Udupi is how much? 35 kilometers into 25 days into capacity 50. How much is full capacity means 100%. It is the 43,750 passenger kilometers. Next one, Udupi to Mangalore. Udupi to Mangalore passengers kilometer is almost 60, days same 25. The passenger capacity 50, occupied is 80%. So how much? 60,000. Next, under the backward trip, Mangalore to Udupi now. Backward trip, Bangalore to passenger kilometers, 60 is the difference between the kilometers. Then into 25 days into 50 into 100. At the time of returning from Bangalore to Udupi, the bus is full, so 100%. Okay, this is the 75%. Next, Udupi to Kundapur passengers kilometers. See how much? 35. Difference is distance is 35 into 25 days into 50. The Udupi to Kundapur occupied is 75%. That is 33,250. So total passenger kilometers. See 73,750 plus 60,000 plus 75,000 plus 33,250. You add all the things, all these things, right? Do 3 and this one, 4th. Okay, over. Next, total passenger kilometer 2,12,000 passengers kilometers. Okay, now we need to prepare the operating cost sheet. That is first one, vehicle name Sugama Tourist, right? Operating cost sheet for the month ended. Okay, then carrying capacity, we have to write side carrying capacity 50 passengers. Next, write the particulars, and the particulars I already explained the format, right? First we have to write the fixed charges. Okay, fixed, see one by one. The first, cost of the bus estimated, scrap estimated, that is related to the calculation of the depreciation is coming under the variable charges. Okay, no, sorry, depreciation is under the fixed charges. If it is mentioned, then it will come in under the variable. It is a fixed. There is no information whether it is a fixed or variable. So if there is no information, you just consider under the fixed only. Okay. So before depreciation, we will write some other things. Insurance charges, and before that road tax. See, annual road tax. How much? 5,000. We need to write here for the only month. So for annual 5,000, for month 5,000 divided by 12, that is 417. Next, insurance charges per year 10,000. 10,000 divided by 12, 833. Then depreciation. Or first you can write the depreciation also. Now you need to find the depreciation. How to find out the depreciation? Cost of the bus. How much cost of the bus? 30 lakhs, right? 30 lakhs minus scrap. Scrap is how much? 20,000. 2 lakh, 29. Okay, you have to deduct the 2,000, then divided by estimated life is almost 10 years. So 30 lakhs divided by minus 220,000 divided by 10. How much? 2,98,000 divided by, this is for the annual depreciation, we need for the month, so 12. How much? 24,833. Next, driver's salary per month 15,000 is given in the month only, so need not to be divided. Conductor's salary per month 8,000. Then cleaner's salary per month 3,000. Okay, then grand total of A is how much? Total of A is how much? You just add all these things, 52,083. Next, B, semi-variable charges. Under the semi-variable, only the repairs, garage rent, all these things coming under the semi-variable. The garage rent is there, per year is given 24,000 divided by 12 means for a month 2,000. So total, no any other semi-variable, so 2,000. Okay, next, variable charges. Under the variable, cost of the diesel and cost of the tires, all these coming under the variable charges. Cost of the diesel. See how to calculate the cost of the diesel. You just see the cost of diesel per liter is 50. Kilometers run per liter of diesel is 4 kilometers, right? Now see, cost of diesel 1 liter means, okay, 1 liter means 4 kilometers. It runs for 4 kilometers, and for how many total kilometers of the particular bus is how much we need to calculate. How much for the these kilometers, not the passenger kilometers. We need to find out here total kilometers. How to calculate the total kilometers? See here, down see, okay, calculation of total kilometers. 60 from first one, from the Kundapur to Udupi, 60, okay, plus 60 kilometers, right, plus Udupi to Mangalore 35, plus again return journey, Mangalore to Udupi 60, plus, right, next Udupi to Kundapur 35. Okay, you have to add 4 journeys, then how many days? 25 days. So how much? 4750 kilometers. Okay, 4750 kilometers. Here we have to write the total kilometers only, not passenger kilometers. So 1 liter means 4 kilometers. Okay, so 4750 kilometers means how many liters we need? We need the 1187.5 liters. 1 liter means how many cost? How much cost? Rupees 550. So 59,375. This is the cost of the diesel. Next, cost of tires. See, proportionate charges for the tires per kilometer. Per kilometer 0.50. 1 kilometer 0.50 charge ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So total kilometers how much here? 4,750. So 2,375. So total of C. Next, grand total A plus B plus C 1,15,833. So total passenger kilometers how much? Passenger kilometer already calculated, right? 2,12,000, right? 2,12,000. Now operating cost per passenger kilometer. Operating cost per passenger kilometer is nothing but total cost divided by passenger kilometer. Total cost 1,15,833 divided by this one, D divided by E divided by 2,12,000, that is 0.55 per passenger kilometer. Okay, 0.55 passenger kilometers. Okay, next, see, now first one is over, right? Required to calculate first one to compute the cost per passenger kilometer of operating the bus, that is over. Next one, see, assuming 10% profit on taking for the company, work out the bus fare. We need to find out the bus fare on the basis of the profit is given in the problem. How much profit? 10% on the takings. Now see, how much operating cost is how much? 0.55. Operating cost per passenger kilometer 0.55. Now 10% profit. 10% profit. See, 0.55 means, okay, 0.55 means 90%, then 10% means how much? That is the 0.055. 0.55 is the operating rate. See, assuming 10% profit on takings for the company. Okay, so 0.55 means we have to consider 90%, then 10% means how much? 0.055. Then cost with the profit is how much? 0.605. This is the cost with profit. Okay, bus fare from Kundapur to Udupi. Now, bus fare from Kundapur to Udupi 0.605 into kilometers. How much? Kundapur to Udupi 35 kilometers. This is for 1 kilometer. Okay, bus fare for per kilometer. Okay, cost with the per kilometers 0.605 into 35 kilometers from Kundapur to Udupi, 35 kilometers. That is the 21.175 rupees. Then or 22, we can round figure is 22. Bus fare from Udupi to Mangalore. Udupi to Mangalore per kilometer is how much? 0.605 into kilometers, distance between how much? 60 kilometers. So 36.3 means it is a 37. We can round figure is the 37. Okay, this is about the bus fare between the Kundapur to Udupi and Udupi to Mangalore. Okay, this is about the problem. It's very easy. First we need to find out the total passenger kilometers per month. Then we have to calculate the operating cost sheet. Then we have to calculate the bus fare. Bus fare is very easy. First thing, operating cost we already calculated here, right? 0.55 plus the profit. 0.55 means 90%. 90% why? 10% is profit, means that is the 90%, right? 10% is how much we have to add. Then we have to multiply with the certain respective kilometers. Okay, this is about the problem under the, it's the important problem under the operating costing. We'll see some other problems under the next class. Okay, thank you.